If you're an OPay user and you want to make more money, here is a quick way to go about having more cash in your wallet. OPay launches a payment saving system called OWET, and presently, a few days ago, they also added a new feature called virtual cash. If you look at on the top right corner, we have something called try cash, which is 50,000 naira. So whatever your balance is in your OPay wallet, added with the 50,000 trial cash that you are given. So 10% of it is going to be given as interest every day for 30 days, which means that this is an opportunity for you to increase your cash. If you look at my yesterday's earning, this is 19 naira 24 kobo, of which the actual balance in this wallet is 161 naira 71 kobo. So with this, you can have more interest every day on your account. All you just need to do is make sure you have minimum of 100 naira in your O wallet account. Then when you click on the O wallet button, a banner will show at the lower part of this. Sorry, this won't show actually because of I have enabled the future. So once you click on the trial cash, you accept it, then automatically it is showing on the top corner of your balance. Then from the next 24 hours, you begin to get 19%, oh sorry, 10% of the total sum of money, including your trial balance in your account, which give you the opportunity to be able to save. You can only withdraw the balance at the end of the trial period when all the interest has accumulated. So I think this helps you to get more money. Thank you. Imagine if you have 10,000 as your initial balance and you have 50,000 trial balance. That gives it 60,000 naira. So 10% of 60,000 naira, that's times 0.1. So that means that you're getting 6,000 interest at the end of the month, 30 days. That's a cool money without having to work for it. So I think everybody needs to subscribe to this OPay service because it's only available for a short period of time. Thank you.